All right, y'all, what's going on? I'm back here with another quick video. It's been a little bit, but I wanted to show y'all a come up that I came up on. Now, I was originally gonna use these seats right here. These are actually seats from a 2005 Pontiac GTO. Guy had totaled the car and he just started to part it out. So I swooped these up for only 300 bucks. 300 bucks or 350, I can't remember. But I got the front and the rear. The rear are out in my shop. But originally was gonna put these in my Regal, just because I wanted to change the look of the Regal. But actually, since I got the Chevelle, I'm gonna put these in the Chevelle, especially because I don't have any seats with the Chevelle. The guy threw in a set of rear seats, stock rear seats for it. But I don't have it actually came originally with a bench seat, but I don't even have that. So and I wanted to go buckets anyway, so I think the better fit would be these in the Chevelle. And I'm just gonna keep my Regal stock, y'all. It'll be worth more like that anyway. I never do anything to cars that I can't undo, and so I like the Regal as is. I wouldn't mind changing the seats to a little bit more sportier bucket style, but I'm just gonna leave it as is for now. And there's nothing wrong with it. I just, sometimes just kind of get not bored, but just want to be different a little bit. So anyways, that's why the seats are in here right now, from my Regal. But yeah, GTO seats, very, very good condition. They're an 8-way power seat. So you got the power knobs there. Also the little power button here for it to go front and back if people are getting in the back, and then you got this little notch here for the seat to move forward, all the way forward like that. So but as you can see, y'all, I mean, they are clean. This is the passenger one. No rips, no tears. The only little bit of wear on it is on the driver's seat, which is here, and you can see right there just from the driver getting in and out the car. But that's all right. But I'm excited about these. I got the rear seats too. I don't have them, but they the rear seats, if you've ever seen a GTO like a 05, 06, 07 model, in the back they're also kind of this bucket style seat in the back. So I'm gonna see if I can try to get those to work in my Chevelle as well, and I think I might be able to make it work. These here, so this whole back seat actually comes, or not the back seat, but the upholstery actually unzips and comes off. I'm gonna see if I can take this to like an upholstery shop and see if I can maybe get like a Chevy emblem here, or a Chevelle or something like that there, or if I don't know if you guys had ever seen those heavy Chevy signs. They actually have a few models of Chevelles called heavy Chevys that they actually went to, I think I'm not sure exactly what year, maybe 71, 72, when they kind of did away with the SS theme for insurance purposes and things like that. And then they start calling some of the Chevelles heavy Chevys. So that would also be kind of dope there too. So anyways, we'll see. But yeah, y'all, got these seats, GTO, and I think these are going to look really, really, really nice in that Chevelle. One thing that I've heard about these in a Chevelle, because I think there's a few people that have done it obviously before me, is these seats actually sit kind of tall, and with the GTO, it's actually a lower car, and I think the floor pan sits a little low, and so they actually fit really good in the GTO. From what I've heard, they kind of sit kind of high. In some cars, I guess it also just depends on what type of bracketry and everything you work. So I'm gonna try to keep the brackets as short as possible when I put them in. But however, what I might do if they do sit too tall, I might just lose the headrest and then just keep it kind of like that look. Maybe take these out and see if the upholstery guy can maybe just take these out and just make me a nice flat surface here. Or shit, I don't really care. I'll maybe just take them off and not deal with it, and then if I ever want to put them back on, I can put them back on. So I don't know. We'll see. A lot of ideas, but yeah, I'm gonna use those for the Chevelle. So I'm still trying to think of a nickname for the Chevelle. I don't know. I'm not quite sure yet. what I'm gonna call it. But I don't know. I'll think of something. So, anyways, y'all, just wanted to do a quick little video of what I got coming for the interior, and I'll try to do a little bit here and there, as far as any new updates that I have coming. I'm still actually coating the interior of the car with the Port 15, and kind of just going from there. So I'm back at it, y'all, back at it. It's getting cold outside, so I'm trying to do the best I can to get in that garage and get stuff done before it gets freezing cold at night. So anyways, that's about it. I'll chime in with y'all a little later. 2005 GTO bucket seats going down in the Chevelle. Yeah, holla.